So one thing that we don't change very often on the engine, but you have to every now and again, is the air filter. Now, on a lot of engines, the air filter is just a sponge filter, and you can open the housing, change the sponge filter, and put it back. On these D-series engines, for some bizarre reason, they've made the entire unit replaceable, so you can't take the filter out, which makes that 50 quid, which is a stupid amount of money for what is effectively just, you only really need the filter inside for replacing. Thankfully, you don't have to do it more than once every couple of years. The air filter is located at the back of the engine on top, which can make access difficult. There is a hose clamp sealing the filter to the engine's air intake pipe, and underneath that is an Allen bolt to secure the filter housing. That's the old air filter, and that nut needs to come off so we can then pull the air filter out. And there's a 5mm Allen bolt underneath, and if you take that off, that's it, it just lifts out. Look at that. There she goes. So that's the old one. So that's the old one. And then if we then get the new one out by comparison, hey, look at that, white and gleaming. That's obviously where the air intake is there, but it's worth noting that that rod there is where the Allen bolt slides in to bolt the bottom half of the thing. So that's it, a very quick and simple task ticked off the list for another couple of years. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.